everyone, Mrs. McClelland here. Welcome back to First Level Maths for our 5th session this week, where we're talking about patterns in time. Yesterday, or last time, we were talking about the months of the year, the 12 months of the year. We know the order they go in, we know their names. What we're going to be looking at today is the number of days that are in each month. And it isn't always the same, which is quite confusing, and it doesn't seem to follow a regular pattern. So how on earth are we going to remember them? There's some cool tricks and ways that you can do this. So I'm going to show you a wee video and I will go over it again with you, and then you've got some questions after that to see if you can use the tricks to help you remember how many days there are in each month.
And today I'm going to show you a cool trick of how to tell how many days there are in the months of the year. Here's what you will need to do this cool trick. You will need to know how to count the months of the year in order, and 2 hands with knuckles on them. Here's how to do it. First, get your hands and fold them into fists. And start with your pinky knuckle. You have to count the months in order on your knuckles and in the places in between the knuckles. Start like this: January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Continue on the other hand: August, September, October, November, December. Here's what the trick is really about. All the months that you count on the knuckles have 31 days in them. All the ones that are in between the knuckles have 30 days in them, except February, which has 29 days on a leap year and 28 on a normal year. For example, if you wanted to know how many days there are in May, just use this trick: January, February, March, April, May. So it's 31 because May is on a knuckle. And if you forgot how many days there are in April, just do January, February, March, April. 30, because it's in between the knuckles. I hope you find this video very fun, beneficial, and...
Okay, so he was quite fun, wasn't he? I thought he would be better at explaining it to you than I am. So, using your knuckles, that's how you did it. So the months which were counted on the knuckles were the ones with 31 days, and the ones in between were 30 days, apart from February, which is a strange one. It's only got 28 days, and then in a leap year, it has 29 days, and a leap year happens every 4 years. So that's a strange one. If you find it tricky to tell the difference between knuckles and the dips in the knuckles, you can also do it with your fingers. So you can go January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and then onto the other hand, August, September, October, November, December. So the tips of my fingers are the ones with 31 days, and the dips in between are the ones with 30 days, apart from which month, can you remember? That's right, February. That's the strange one. Mums and dads might know a rhyme as well. That's how I was taught it at school. But I like the way with the knuckles or the fingers. That makes it really easy to remember, because I've always got my fingers or my knuckles with me when I need to answer a question, and I can use them to check. If we have a look now at our presentation, it's got a picture of that as well. So how many days are there in each month? Here's a picture to show you the one with the knuckles. So can you see? We start with, let me put the pointer on, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Over to the other hand, August, September, October, November, December. It's clever. Helps you remember how many days there are in each month. And here's the rhyme as well. 30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except for February alone, which has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. So that's the rhyme that mums and dads might know. So 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except for February alone, which has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. So if somebody asks you how many days there are in any of the months, you should be able to tell them. Remember, use your knuckles or use your fingers or use the rhyme. You've got 3 ways of doing it. So just a short one today because it's quite complicated and all the ones have got different ones. After this video, you'll find a link for a worksheet which has got some questions. See if you can use your rhyme or your knuckles or your fingers to help you answer them. So another pattern connected with time. So we've learned lots of different things about patterns in time. We looked at units of time, seconds, minutes, intervals of time, 5 minutes and a quarter of an hour. And then we've looked at seasons, the days of the week, the months of the year, and how many days there are in each of the months of the year. So lots of different things to do with patterns in time this week. And here we are in a new year, January being the first month. We know that, and we also know how many days there are in January. So we've learned lots of different things this week. I hope that's been helpful, and I'll see you again next time.